You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
That's how we are. Friends forever, friends forever. Mountain, sky, and the sea have always been here together. Friends forever. So things were just meant to be, and that's you and me. Long as rivers race, I'll be around. The world's such a quicker place, we'll slow on down. The journeys we have planned will happen hand in hand, though many things will change. forever.